everyone, my name is Anushka and welcome to another video of mine. Now today is 14th of January, my dad's birthday and he's kind of ready standing right beside me. Let's get started and like and share and watch till the end and subscribe if you liked it. It's a fun place to be in.
This video is about my parents' birthday, so you can call this a birthday vlog too. I decided I will vlog my parents' birthday, hooray! So my mother's birthday was on 2nd December and my father's birthday was on 15th of January because birthday are so much fun, interesting, and of course it's so special day of someone's life. And we never really take time to appreciate our parents' contribution to our life, so I thought this would be a great day to do so. Now we all know what birthdays are, right? It's an anniversary of the day on which a person was born, typically treated as an occasion for celebration and giving of gifts. Now you must be thinking what kind of channel it is giving the definition of birthdays. So here comes my first love, my first best friend. You are going to see my mother's birthday first and then my dad. I love her not because she is my mother, and we should respect her elders. I respect her because she has taken care of me when I wasn't even able to speak. She has taught me how to walk, speak, and take care of myself. She motivates me to be like her and never submit in difficult time. She encourages me to improve my all-round skills and studies. So here I am doing all I could possibly do with my pocket money. Happy birthday, Mom! Your parents are still alive and you are watching this, make sure to wish, love and give a little surprise to your parents on their birthday. We always surprises our best friends, siblings and our lovers, but we tend to forget that these two persons are incredibly important for our lives and who care for us every single time. As they have taken every possible step to make our life easier, happier and wonderful, we should also try to do the same. As they are getting older, they are losing their parents, so it's our responsibility to not make them feel lonely and unhappy. I am so blessed and I don't know what special I have done to get them as my parents in my life. Happy birthday, Mom, and you have always helped me to grow and bloom in the person I am today. Nothing I can do will be thanks enough, but I hope all my love and wishes for your good health on your birthday. time for my dad. As people say, here comes a girl's first true love. Happy birthday, Daddy. He has been my protector, caretaker, support system. He has always made sure that I had the best life. After all these years, he has done incredibly amazing. It's time for me to do something in return. His name is Shujay Kumar Kundu and he is a mechanical engineer by profession and he is a very hardworking person. As everyone's like to believe that their father is different, so do I. Nonetheless, this conviction is not based on the love I have for him, but also because of his personality. It's your special day, let's celebrate. Another year older, but you are still a rock star in my eyes. Dear Dad, on your birthday, I want you to know that you are truly an inspiration, a friend and a teacher to all of us. I know I have never been the perfect kid for you, but I know that you and Mom has always been the perfect parents for me. I could not have asked for anyone else to be my mom and dad. Happy birthday to you both. Now don't forget to comment down below your parents' birthdays, date and what you have done or willing to do on their birthday to surprise them on their special day. Love you guys. Thanks for watching. It makes us very sad, right, when we think that someday our parents are going to die. So we can't ignore this. This day is going to come. What we can do from our side is take care of them. So we should always, make things that make them happy. We should help. It's not like we should post something on social media or wishing them on their Father's Day or Mother's Day or only on their birthday. So that's not a single day or a 2 day in an entire 365 day of a year that we should celebrate their presence, because they are loving us, they are caring for us, they are doing everything they can for us for every single moment in our life. And my parents are doing so, I can tell that, and I'm pretty much sure that your parents are too. So keep loving them and keep supporting them for what they are, because you never know what they are going through, and they are always supporting you no matter how good you are in studies or how much you are earning, but they are supporting you. Like they are the real gem. We may think that our best friends or our lovers or anyone is the person that they love us most, but deep inside we all know that the parents are the one who loves us, and our first love also are those two persons. So keep loving them, and bye, see you next time soon. My birthday vlog is also coming, so it's coming in this week. And if you're watching till here, I wish that your parents live more than 100 years, because we never want to lose them. They are like everything for us, right? Now bye. Hope you enjoyed this video, and of course you should comment down below, okay? If you don't have any plans right now in your mind, do a plan, sit down, think for yourself, call your friends and make a plan, and please try to surprise your parents, because they are amazing, So bye.